What's up, guys? It's Thomas with Hook and Holler Outdoors. We're out here shooting, as you can see. It's the 2025 dove season here in Alabama. It opened up today, and we've shot a couple birds. I forgot to make the intro at the beginning, so thank you for letting me. Holy damn! Cover your ears, Ember Mark. Catch him up. My GoPro's messed up, son of a gun. Find him, girl, find him, girl, find him, girl. Find him, girl, find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him, girl, find him, girl. Dog. Here you go. Give.
Good girl, Amber.
Oh, hell.
Right there.
Trying to put my dang bird up. He flared off anyway. Hold that. I don't know if I got any of that. Bird, 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 shoot him! Good shooting, son.
Yeah.
You want me to send the dog over there?
I guess so.
I'm just gonna send her from right here and tell him to call her or something.
I'll go ahead.
All right. Amber, go, go. Oh, it's starting to get crazy. My dang GoPro is messed up. Oh, there's some. Come on now, don't shoot them right there. They're all gonna fly away now. Great, great. Appreciate that, bud. Did he fall or keep going? And there went one right there too. Amarillo by morning, up from San Antonio. Everything that I got is just what I got on. Ding dong. Ding dong ditch, bitch. You're gonna be all in this YouTube video.
Great.
What? Ember Mark. Damn, that's a big one. We gotta get him, that's the big one.
You blew my ear.
That's the one we need to kill right there, Parker. That's him. Get him, Parker. Damn. God almighty. That sucker costed this field about 20 bucks worth of shot. Yeah. Coming back. Oh, Parker, over your head, over your head. Ember, fetch him up. That's the old ringneck, ain't it? Yeah. I shot at him from about 70 yards right here. Come on, Ember. I'm glad somebody got that sucker. He survived too many shells. Ember, they picked the bird up out from under you. I'm sorry. I didn't tell them to do that. I did not tell them to do that, Ember. Boys, I don't know how we missed that freaking ringneck right there. I have no idea. No idea. I shot all 3 times. Here, I'm about to shoot at these suckers. Mark. Mark, pitch him up. Good dog. Come on.
I want to get a picture of her with it in her mouth.
Yeah, we'll get one. You need to get your phone out.
No, I'm about to.
Be videoing some stuff here. Give. 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 Good dog. Good dog, girl. Good dog. I think I hit 2 of them, honestly. I don't know if it fell or not.
The next one that she gets, I want to get a picture of her with it in her mouth.
Come on, hey. We gotta go on a little bird retrieval real quick. Let's go, Ember dog. Come on. You know where he fell at?
Yeah, your daddy, Mark. I mean, your granddaddy, Mark. It's in that damn call there.
These little number 9s didn't do shit to that pigeon.
Dude, that thing is fucking huge.
Find him, Ember. Find him. Find him, Ember. Find him, Ember. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him. Find him. Fetch him up.
Right here.
Fetch him up, girl. Where's the dog at? I can't see her. Ember, come here. Hey. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him, girl.
Definitely snake territory.
Hell yeah, down there. Find him, Ember. Find him. Find him, Ember. She's gonna have to walk right over the top of that sucker to find him in this shit. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Sit up.
Right there in front of you.
Hey, hey, hey. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Holy. Damn. I don't know if I hit it or not. As soon as I shot, I couldn't see him no more.
God damn.
I mean, it was 4 foot from the end of my...
I mean, damn it. I knocked the damn... I got the bird on ground. Then walk over with the dog. Then you gonna damn fly it across the field. Lord have mercy.
Parker, coming at you, bud, from that way. Oh, shit. Ember, Mark. Ember. Hey. Hey.
Right there.
Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Heel. God, dog, you dumbass. That's why you don't break, you dummy. Sit. Sit. Put my leg on the briar. Oh, here comes 3 of them right there in the field. Oh boy, what are they gonna do though? They're gonna come this way or no? Let's see if we get a chance at this bird right here. It's coming right at me. Oh, let's still shoot that on the Ember more. Oh, that's far. I ain't even gonna try it.
You see that?
That's a poke, bro. That's... Richard! Oh. Ember. Mark. Yeah, I see him. Oh, what a shot. Briar, over your head. God, dog, what a shot. Holy moly. God, dog it. Parker, come back. Got him that time.
Ow. That hit me on my head.
Oh, Terry, he kept on going. God, dog. Got you good?
Yes, ow.
One coming right over. Straight at us from across the field.
Don't bump me in the head.
Bumps you? What you talking about bumps you?
Don't hit me in the head.
Parker, right between us. Ember, Mark. Pitch him up. He wounded him for me.
No, Dad shot him.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on.
Running. Good girl, Ember.
Ember, Mark. Damn. Looks so high. I led that sucker like 3 foot that last time. I don't know how. What is landed?
Hey, bring your dog out here.
She ain't hitting on much right now, but I'm gonna bring her. Come on, let's go. Da-da-da-da-da. Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Right dead in front of me.
Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Oh, shit. He gone. Ben! Ben! Behind you. Oh, he did. He made it. God, no.
Somebody's about to kill this on the line.
Oh, it's done. He missed him. Oh, here he goes. Son of a gun.
Hey, Thomas.
Yeah.
I done had 2 like that.
Oh, no, really? Ember. Mark. Fetch him up. Good girl, good girl. Come on. Good dog. Good dog. Much better energy right there. I like that.
Well, after you beat her a couple times.
Give. Good dog.
Good girl, Ember.
Give her a good pet.
Spilled all of her water.
Good dog.
Watch out,
Good
Ember.
dog. Good dog.
There's nothing that she's spilling all
Come
her
here.
water.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. It don't matter. Hunt's about over
There
anyway.
ain't nothing left.
That's fine. Hunt's about over anyway. She don't need.
You know, whatever's left.
Be very, very still. Ember, Mark. Oh, he's far. I'll let you get him, Parker. Or Ben. He's a little far for me to try to touch him. God, dog. Talking about a dolphin dive. Boom. Got him. Ah. Oh, shit. There ain't no damn way. I'm going to have to leave these sun guns 450 yards. I'm just going to sit on my bucket. I ain't cut a feather, dude. I ain't cut a feather. Which that was insane anyway. They were suckers were high. I tried leading them far as I could. Ain't even a damn dove. That one is. That one's not. Well, piss on them. Oh my God, what a shot. Dog almighty. That bird was up there. Oh, Tommy just shot at one, didn't he? He missed him too. Missed the shit out of him. Yeah, birdie. Oh, that's a dove right there. He's high there. Dad, coming to you. Dad, high as crap. I will try him one time, and that's it. That's what Dad said on that one. Either way, it's no shit.